Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Anthony from Joice Hair, and today's video we're going to talk about terms called single weft and double weft hair. So single weft or double weft hair is very common terms in the hair business, and it's to talk about the hair bundles, or you can say the hair weft. So basically right now most of the hair bundles are double wefted hair bundles. So in my hand these are all Joice hair bundles, you can see that, and all these bundles are actually double wefted. So what double wefted means is that on all the weft there are two weft stick together. So when you try to install the hair, you can actually cart this up and install it into the single weft. So all the single weft hair bundles means this is double weft and only one weft on each and every bundle. So actually when you use it, you can easily make the double weft hair bundles into the single weft hair bundles. So all these bundles are actually bonded together. You can easily open it up and make into like this, and then you can easily install it on your wigs. So you can see when we open this type of hair bundles, we get a weft like this, and then you can install. And sometimes you want the weft to be longer, and which to install on your head, and we can easily make this double weft into single weft. Let me show you how we can make that. So this is double weft, you can see that. And actually we can use a thing. 拽紧点啊，没事，拽紧。And this is, you can see that this is double weft, and we can cut it. 拉紧，这样拉紧。And you can see that these are made from the double weft and into a single weft. So you can see that you can get 2 times the length of the weft from the double weft to the single weft. So you can sew in onto the wig cap with the single weft or with the double weft. That's how what is the double weft and the single weft. So by default, right now 90% or almost all the bundles are made of the double weft. You can sew into your head with a double weft easily, or you can do like what I did and make this into the single weft and get the double length of the track and then sewing on your hair. So that's it. So all these bundles are our Remy hair bundles. You can see that. So if you want any bundles, double wefted bundles or single wefted bundles, or you want to make any wigs with human hair, good quality human hair, you can contact us. And in the next video, I'm gonna introduce you another terms which is similar, easily to be confusing between the single weft and double weft, which is called single zone and double zone hair. In the next video, I will explain to that. Please stay tuned and subscribe to our channel. And thank you for watching today's video. If you're new to this channel, kindly subscribe. Thank you. Have a nice day.